Welcome back, everybody. Today a little on the warm and humid side, but boy, things are going to be getting, changing dramatically over the next couple of days. As we mentioned, this is the big storm that's rolling through the plains right now. This was coming out of Colorado yesterday, so you can see how it's moved already. In West Texas, they've got a dry west wind blowing, so they've got nothing. For us, we've got a very moist Gulf air rolling, and now those two air masses are going to collide and cause all kinds of problems. The low itself, remember, it's spinning in this direction, which is counterclockwise, is producing a blizzard to the north up there in the Dakotas, and this will likely tonight we're going to begin with another round of severe weather, probably tornadoes. Now, it hasn't evolved yet, but it's coming. We know this is going to happen. We've got the humidity, we've got the spin, we've got the front, and we are going to be looking at a lot of problems. As far as we're concerned, the center of the storm is moving north, so it's not a fast-moving frontal system. In fact, the problem is that it's going to stall down in our area, and then it's going to develop an area of low pressure along it, and we're going to have a feast more than of rain that we haven't had in quite some time. So let's do the future tracker and we'll time it all the way for you. We begin on Tuesday and you'll see no problems in terms of rain tonight for us. By the time we get to Wednesday, we first see the thunderstorms develop up around San Antonio, and then you'll see that line move down toward our area. When does it get here? Probably, or the rain, the front comes in late in the evening. The rain will begin on Wednesday, and that's when we start seeing rain shower after thunderstorm, after thunderstorm, after thunderstorm. This is about 3 days worth. So we've got an accumulative total of possibly 2 to 4 inches of rain. Now, we haven't seen that stuff since, I don't know, since Harvey. We're looking big stuff rolling around our area all the way through Friday and beginning to decrease on Saturday. Now, of course, it's not good news for everybody who had Easter plans, Easter events, church services, all of that. You're going to have to be dealing with this. Here is what happens. This is day 2. So this is tomorrow, where the severe weather is going to be from Michigan all the way down into northeast Texas. Now, we have a possibility of some severe thunderstorms in our area, and that would be tomorrow. And then by the time we get to Thursday, Friday, we start to decrease that activity. So once again, Future Tracker will take you into the future here. You can see how the front will start moving down. Once it gets into this moist field, you'll see a round of thunder showers, basically late on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday morning, the front will be right on top of us, and you can see how the models are fairly aggressive. Now, usually when you see something really crazy with the models, you kind of take it with a grain of salt. But when you see 2, 3, and 4 runs giving you the same thing, it's coming into alignment. So the chances are, is what I'm saying, this is not a fluke. I believe this is really going to happen. And as it gets to the coast, it stalls and sort of wobbles around and will be the focusing mechanism for all this thunder activity that we're expecting. I'd like to know, does the news department have a kayak that, we might be using over the next couple of days? We have a drone. Now we need a kayak to be getting around. So it's not until about Sunday when it starts to pull away. I believe your Sunday may be fairly reasonable. Only problem is through Saturday we're going to have huge downpours, and that's going to be maybe a little too late. So plan accordingly and always have a plan B if you got an outdoor event. 78 because the front comes in, then the thunder showers begin, and it rains until about Saturday when we have 3 alert days because the weather is going to affect your activities. That is your 7-day forecast. Don't forget, we've got this QR code, and if you put Crossroads Today on your phone, I'll be able to send you a push on any kind of severe weather rolling around the area. So it's kind of like we're going to be talking to each other.